Hello everyone, in this video we will be seeing how to create simple animation using Flash. So we will just click on Micromedia Flash 8. So this is the software which we are going to use. Flash allows us to create simple animations. So to create a new file in that we have to click on Flash document. So this is how the page of Flash looks like. It is divided into 4 parts. The first most important part is the stage area. All the animation is going to be done on this square box over here. If you want to increase the size or decrease the size of your stage area, we can just click over here and we can just say fit in window, so that the screen area of our stage will increase. The second most important part of Flash is the timeline. So this rectangle box which you can see on top is our timeline. Over here it will be decided in which frame or in which time period what object on the stage area has to be displayed. The third is the library. So whatever objects we are going to import on our stage area, so those objects need to be there in the library, and then we can easily import and make use of it. The fourth part is the action script. You can see a small arrow over here below on below the stage area. So click on that arrow and over here we will have the action script panel. So all the coding related things can be done over here. Okay, so this is how the Flash window is divided into 4 important parts, that is the stage area, timeline, library and action script. Along with this thing, it also has a toolbox which will be useful for drawing all the objects. If we want to draw any objects on the stage area, we can make use of this toolbox. So let us start with a simple animation wherein we are going to make a ball move, just a simple moving animation. So for that, first we will just use background, maybe a green color background. So I don't want line color, so I'll click on none, and fill color, maybe let it be green. So I'll draw a rectangle box on my stage area. So this will look like a green grass or whatever you want to imagine it as, you can imagine it. So this is my background. So right now it is only on one frame. I want it to appear till 48 frames. So right click on the 40th frame and say insert keyframe. So whatever is there in your first frame, it will be copied from 1 to 40 frames. So it is the background. Any object which is still should be copied in one layer, and each moving object should be in different layer. So we will create another layer now for our moving object. So right click on layer 1 and say insert layer. So over here we are going to include our moving object, that is the ball. So either using this circle tool you can draw a ball over here, or what we will do is we will import something into our library. So for that, click on file, import, import to library, and then from here we will just take an image of a ball. See to it that the ball doesn't have any background, else you can make use of Photoshop and delete the background. Click on this ball which is there in the library and drag it on the stage area. Now the size is too big of this ball. So what we will do is, using this tool, that is free transform tool, we will just resize it. So it depends on you how big you want the ball to be. Let it be in a perfect square shape, so that when it's moving, when it's rotating, it will not change its shape. Okay, so now our background is copied till 40th frame. So even the ball I'll be copying till 40th frame. Right click and say insert keyframe. So this ball is also copied for 40 frames, but in the same position. So what I'll do, first position it is over here, last position I'll click on this frame and then I'll move this ball from one corner to another corner. You can move it horizontally, you can move it vertically, diagonally, as you wish to, you can do that. Okay, so now only the first frame to 39th frame it is in the first place, and only on the 40th frame it is changed its position. So now a slow moving animation has to be displayed. So to do that, we are going to right click over here anywhere in between 1 to 40 frame and say create motion twin. Twinning will take the first object and the last object and create a path for it, so that it will move on that path. So press Ctrl Enter to see the movie. So the ball is moving from the first place to the last place. If you get a dotted line over here, that means the animation is not done properly. If you get a straight arrow, that means the animation is done properly. Now as you can see, the ball is only moving from left to right. But if you want the ball to roll from left to right, then keep your cursor anywhere in between this on the layer 2, and then over here under your property window, here twinning option you have already selected motion. Under rotate option you have to select clockwise. CW stands for clockwise and CCW stands for counterclockwise, so that if you want to rotate it in the opposite direction, you can make use of CCW. If you want it to rotate clockwise direction, you can make use of CV. Okay, so number of times let it be 1, so that slow rotation will be there. If you want the rotation to be fast, you can increase the number of time. Now you can see the ball is rotating and it is moving. If you want it to be faster, I had already told, the number of times can be increased like this, and then just see the rotation has increased. Thank you for watching.